Hi, fourth grade. So we're going to be talking about subtraction today and some of the rules for when you subtract, okay? So when you have a subtraction problem, you write it vertically, which means up top of each other. And just like with adding, you do your estimate. So my estimate, I'm going to put the letter E for estimate, 346. You just want a friendly number that ends in a 0 so that you can add it in your head. 346. I'm just going to say 300. 187. I'm going to say that's about 200. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I know my estimate is 100, which means when I'm done subtraction, if my answer is not near 100, it doesn't make sense and I know I did something wrong. So here's my little saying. More on top, no need to stop. So if the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom, then you just subtract. More on the floor, so if the number on the bottom or the floor is bigger, you got to go next door and you got to borrow 10 more. So let's look. More on top or more on the floor? More on the floor because 7 is bigger than 6. So I got to go next door and get 10 more. I cross out the 4, I make it a 3, and then I bring it over here and make that a 16. 16 minus 7. All right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9. All right, I'm going to say my saying again. More on top or more on the floor? Well, 8 is bigger than 3, so the floor. Go next door, cross out the 3, make it a 2, and make that a 13. 13 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. More on top or more on the floor? It's more on top. 2 minus 1, no need to stop. 2 take away 1, 1. My answer is 159. Remember, my estimate was 100, so it makes sense because 100 and 159 are close to each other, so I know I am right. Okay, remember that saying, more on top, no need to stop. More on floor, go next door. And that is how you subtract.